Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your iPhone via Bluetooth to your Mercedes-Benz MBUX screen. So you can see I have this iPhone. So first of all, I need to make sure that Bluetooth on my iPhone is enabled. So you can see Bluetooth is switched on. I can see this icon. Now once the Bluetooth is on my iPhone, I will go to my MBUX screen on my Mercedes-Benz, and then I will just press on this home screen, right? And once you press on home screen, you will see this phone icon. So just press on this phone icon, and once you press on phone icon, you will see this option which says connect device. So I'm going to press on connect device here, and I will see the options to connect my device. Now if you have already connected your phone, the list of all the connected devices will show on the right. But if it's a new iPhone which you want to connect to your Mercedes-Benz, then click on this connect new device button, which is going to search for the new device. So just wait for a few seconds. So now I can see this iPhone is listed here with the name iPhone, and this is the phone which I want to connect to, right? So just press on the device which is recognized here. So now it says connecting when I pressed, and now I can see this passkey. You can see on my iPhone here also, this is the same passkey 668003, and on my Mercedes-Benz screen also I can see the same number, right? So I'm going to just press on pair on my iPhone device, and then I'm going to just press on allow. And once I press on allow, you can see this MBUX is connected with my iPhone. You can see the status is connected here, and on my iPhone I can see the list of all contacts. So when I press on contacts, it's going to show me the list of all the contacts here. I can move back, and then I can make calls, and other features are also available via Bluetooth. So this is how you can connect your iPhone via Bluetooth with your Mercedes-Benz. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.